Hello everyone. Let's continue with the last practical. So in the last session we discussed about the how to create form and how to add the button or the command button, and also we used the save button, right? That how to save the record if we change the or if we modify any content. So today now in this session we will add another button. So let's click on the button and record operation, and I want to add a new record, right? It means currently we have 3 records and I want to add a new record. So for that select the button and change the add new record. Let me change the caption. So add new record. Next, I'm not changing the name, so add new record, right? Okay, add new record. Then we have save, right? And similar way I want to delete the record, right? So we'll perform both the operations together. So go to the again, take the button, then record operation and delete record, save, text, next, and finish, right? So see, here we have 3 buttons, and I am simply going to the form view. Okay, so right now we have 3 records, right? 3 records. If you know, here, see here we have total 3 records. Now add new record. Okay, let's check the table once. Okay, 3 records we have. Okay, so let's click on the add new record. Okay, so I got the blank form. Okay, let me add some data, and after adding the new record, of course I need to save it. So your data is saved, and let's check the table. Okay, great. See, we got the record, right? 4th record we got. So this is how to add the new record. Now, okay, one more thing. Whenever you perform any kind of operation through the form, make sure that you close the table. Okay, so now we have this record, and let's say I want to delete this record, Neha, right? This record I want to delete. Click on the delete record option. Okay, you are about to delete one record. Please just giving the warning. So if I click yes, it will delete the record. Now let's check the table. Okay, there is no record of the Neha, right? So this is how you can create the form, and you can add the multiple buttons for the record operations. So many other okay, go to the form view and design view, and see here in the record operation category you have add record, delete, duplicate, print, save, undo. So you can explore all the other 3 actions, right? Just like add, save, and the delete. Okay, so in the next session we will explore the navigation buttons. Okay, so in this session this much only.